Are you struggling with blog ideas? If so, congratulations! You selected the right video to watch.
Because we're going to show you how to come up with 100 new blog ideas in 5 minutes or less.
Boom!
Hello guys, the Blogger's Playbook is back, and in this video we are going to jump to the tools and resources section to show you a website that will help you come up with more blog ideas than you ever could have ever imagined.
Now before we show you that tool, we would love you to just hit that big red shiny subscribe button. Oh yeah, if you want more videos around content marketing, digital marketing, online marketing, we release them every week and they're always awesome, so hit that subscribe button.
Now, thinking of blog ideas can be tough, and everyone hits that brick wall every once in a while. We've been there countless amount of times. This video probably wouldn't have been made either if it wasn't for a conversation we were having with Mike Morrison for the membership guys when we were interviewing him for our new podcast.
Available on iTunes now.
Mike is the premier thought leader for all things membership sites, and his blog is the Wikipedia for the subject. He has that niche nailed to the wall. So we were having this conversation with him about how to create content that stands out in this noisy world that we live in, and he said, paraphrasing him a little bit here, too many people are creating content for their peers, not their customers.
And that completely hit home for us because, hands up, we've been known to do that before as well. We want to be respected in our industry, and so sometimes we'll share those bigger thoughts or higher level things or more strategic or more technical things, which, to be honest, might just be alienating some of our potential customers. Which, if you think about it, is the type of people that we actually want to reach. Our potential customers, not our peers.
What do you think? Have you seen people do this, or are you guilty of it yourself? Let us know in the comments.
So here's a nice takeaway that we want you to remember. Your content should meet your customers at their problems.
And if you want to know what their problems are, here is that cool tool that we mentioned earlier. It's called answerthepublic.com. And how it works is really simple.
Like Andrew.
Hey. You tell this scary looking man what your keyword topic or niche is, and he'll give you all the searches being asked around it.
So for example, if you want to search for, I don't know, vegan meals, let's type that in, and it will show you this lovely visual of all the things that people are searching for. Now, so that you don't have to break your neck trying to read this thing, if you hit this data button over here, it gives you the listed view as well.
It will give you questions like, are frozen vegan meals healthy? Or how to make delicious vegan meals, as well as prepositions like vegan meals without carbs or vegan meals you can freeze, as well as comparisons and loads more things that people are actually searching for. And you can just hit this big download CSV button to download them all to your computer.
And this is a free tool, by the way, too. Like, seriously, free.
We promise you 100 blog ideas, and if you are in the vegan food market, then we just gave you 655. Do not say that we do not deliver.
I hope you don't deliver. That's not vegan.
So go and give the scary man your keyword and see what he gives you. He'll also come to you in your dreams.
And in this video over here, you can check out 5 more awesome places to get endless blog ideas if you want some more ideas.
I've been Andrew.
I've been Pete.
Please subscribe to this channel if you have enjoyed this, and we will see you next time.